Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the error BIOS or legacy boot of UEFI-only media, which usually appears when you try to boot from a USB, but your system settings don't match the boot mode. First, understand the problem. This error happens when your bootable USB is created for UEFI mode, but your computer is set to legacy BIOS mode. To fix this, restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings by pressing keys like F2, Delete, or Escape during startup. Once you're inside, look for the boot mode or boot options setting. Change it from Legacy or CSM to UEFI. This allows your system to properly recognize UEFI-based bootable media. Next, make sure Secure Boot is either enabled or disabled based on your USB requirements, but usually leaving it enabled works fine for most modern installations. If the problem still continues, recreate your bootable USB using tools like Rufus and select the correct partition scheme, which is GPT for UEFI systems. Also, ensure the file system is set to FAT32. Finally, save your BIOS settings, restart your computer, and boot again from the USB. This should resolve the error. Subscribe the channel for more videos.